So in this video, I'm going to show you how I make a mocha ice blended espresso. Here I have some chilled espresso. This is a double shot, so about 2 ounces worth. I'm going to go ahead and throw that in here. We're going to put in about a half cup of almond milk, unsweetened and unflavored. And then we're also going to put in about a tablespoon of dark chocolate syrup. And then depending on how sweet you like your drinks, half a tablespoon of sugar. And here we're going to be putting in about a cup of ice. This is a little bit more than that, which we're going to be saving for later. And then we're going to blend it. All right, so that's how it looks. Straight out of the blender, nice and slushy. And now a few of my secret tips for making this amazing drink at home last a little bit longer than it would if you got it at your local coffee shop or Starbucks. So the first is going to be to use an insulated mug. And this is not any regular insulated mug. This is a Snow Peak stainless insulated mug. And even better than this is their milk bottle. This is the Snow Peak milk bottle, which I originally got for travel, and this actually insulates even better than this. And why do you want to insulate? So that your delicious Frappuccino does not turn into a liquid coffee. So I prefer this bottle because it tends to keep everything colder longer. But if you want more of a mug rather than a slender travel bottle, consider getting that. Number 2 is going to be to use a straw. Straws, I think, change the experience of the beverage that you're drinking. And in addition to that, you can actually reuse them if you get something like a glass straw. I actually have some stainless steel straws that I bought as well for boba and just regular drinks, but I personally don't like the taste and flavor or sensation of having a hard metal in my mouth and would much prefer a glass. And no, I haven't had any issues with these breaking. Be right back. 起きちゃったばっかりのに. Mighty just woke up. So, in addition to the straw, it does improve the flavor of your coffee beverage, so give it a try if you haven't yet. And I haven't had these break. They clean really easily. They come with a little squeegee brush, and you can use them for all kinds of drinks. So, oh yeah, and if you're wondering why I had a little bit of ice left over here, I put it in along with the Frappuccino in the milk bottle or the mug so that it helps to keep everything cooler longer. And if you actually keep the lid on this thing, it'll probably still be icy about 8 hours later. Really, it does that well. That's how I make my ice blended Frappuccino. Maybe. I think she approves. So in addition to these containers for your drinks, cold drinks or hot drinks, and a straw, make sure that you're using a good blender that's going to blend everything evenly and well. And if you have a Vitamix, consider getting the smaller 32-ounce blender container instead of the giant one, because if you're just making 1 or 2 drinks, this is much easier to use and clean. Oh. Okay, so I think that's going to be it for this video. Let me know if I missed anything, or if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, leave them below. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and Mari and I will see you in the next video. Jane! Bye bye! She doesn't know how to wave yet, but she does know how to put everything in her mouth and taste, which is a good thing.